Hello, my name is Aaron Phelps, and my Graduate with Honors project is a Django web app which allows users to record and manage data for weight training. The base functions of my web app allow users to record workout sets in a database. These records include the name of the exercise, the number of repetitions, the weight used, and the muscle group targeted by the exercise. I've set up several views which allow users to interact with the data. Users can post, view, and delete individual records or view the entire contents of the database. In addition to these basic views, I've created views which allow users to review exercises based on relevant criteria. Users are able to pull exercises based on the date they were performed. This would typically represent a single workout session, so it can be useful for tracking all the exercises performed together at the same time. Users can also pull all records based on the name of the exercise. And this is useful for tracking progress on an individual workout or for tracking personal records. Users are also able to pull records based on the muscle groups involved. So if there are multiple exercises which work the legs, they will be grouped together here. Or chest exercises. And this is useful for determining if there are any particular muscle groups which are being undertrained or overtrained. I set up the workout app as a sub app of my larger Django project. Currently, the workout app is the only functional app in this project, but I may add additional apps in the future, such as a running tracker or a calorie counting app. The entire project has been set up using Docker Compose, which manages the app as well as the Postgres database that holds the workout records. In addition to the views that I had created to work with Insomnia, I also activated the admin site, which allows users to do some basic sorting by title or timestamp, and they can also filter results based on the name of the exercises. One last feature I added to my project were some unit and integration tests. I added some fixtures just to make sure that all the database models were working correctly and wouldn't cause any problems with the app. Um, and one of the problems that I had when I was working on my database was figuring out how to get the views to work correctly. A lot of my views for the filters with the date and the title of the exercise and the muscle groups were requiring multiple objects be returned from the database, not just one. And I had been working off of the models or the views that were only bringing back a single piece of data using the get method, and had to figure out how to use the get list or 404 function in order to return the results in the way that I was wanting to see them. But after reading the documentation and watching a couple of tutorials on how to properly set up views, I was able to get the views to return multiple results based on the criteria that I wanted them to. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope you have enjoyed my app.